The pricing mode determines how pricing information is displayed to you and to your customers. If you would like to change the pricing mode or adjust the total price of the package, start by clicking the dollar symbol located at the top right corner of the screen. When you click this icon, you will see three options for how pricing is shown. Show full breakdown. This displays individual pricing details for every product in the package. Show totals only. This hides the detailed breakdown and shows only the overall total price for each product category. iFlights, hotels, experiences. Hide breakdown. This removes the individual pricing information from the view entirely and shows only a total amount for the package. In this example, we will select Show Full Breakdown to display all pricing details for each item. After making your selection, click Update. You will now see that the pricing summary on the right has been updated to show the price of each accommodation, experience, transport items, and park fees. Changing the pricing mode allows you to control exactly how much detail is visible, depending on your preferences or your customer's requirements.